A balloon is a kind of label which can be assigned to a footprint. The balloon tool is in the Component Footprints panel of the Panel tab. I'm going to choose it. Then in the command line, I will be asked to select the component that I want to add balloon. I click on it. Next, as is mentioned in the command line, I have to specify the starting point of leader, which is the insertion point of the balloon. And this time, if I don't want to insert any leader, by pressing enter, the balloon will be inserted without any leader. But if you want to add leader as is prompted in the command line, you have to specify a start point for leader. So I click on the point, and then based on your need and your decision, you can specify the other point for your leader line. I will do that. Then as you see, a part of this line is inserted, and if you don't want to continue drawing line, you can press enter to terminate the command. As you see, the balloon which contains the item number is inserted here. Because this chosen component has a particular item number, it was inserted in the balloon automatically. But sometimes when the component has not item number, during inserting balloon, you will be asked to specify the item number for your component. To explain more about it, I am going to add balloon to this footprint which has not any item number. So I repeat the previous procedure, choosing balloon tool and then specifying this start point and the end point of my leader line. And then by pressing enter, a new dialog box will be displayed for me, which asks me to specify an item from my footprint. The list button can be used to show the list of item numbers which are in use in drawing or in your project. So I enter a value in this edit box. Although if you do not enter any item number, the balloon will be inserted without the item number. So by pressing OK, the item number will be entered in the balloon.